Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a complete step-by-step guide on how to convert any video file to MP4 using a free and versatile tool. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Now, go to a search engine like Google and type in VLC Media Player. Make sure you go to the official website, which is videoland.org. Once you're on the site, click on the download button. The download should start automatically. Wait for the download to finish. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, close your browser and go to your downloads folder. Find the installer file and double-click on it. A setup wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to install VLC Media Player on your laptop. It's a straightforward process, just like installing any other software. After the installation is complete, you should see the VLC Media Player icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Open VLC Media Player by double-clicking on the icon. Now that VLC Media Player is open, we can start the conversion process. First, click on Media in the top left corner of the VLC window. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. A new window will pop up. Click on the Add button to select the video file you want to convert. Navigate to the location of your file. In my case, it's on the desktop. Select the file and click Open. After adding the file, click on the Convert/Save button at the bottom. This will open the Convert window. In the Profiles section, choose Video, H.264 plus MP3, MP4. This ensures that your video will be converted to an MP4 format. For more control over the conversion settings, click on the spanner icon next to the profile. This will allow you to edit the selected profile. Go to the Audio Codec tab and make sure the Keep Original Audio Track option is selected. This will retain the original audio quality of your video. After making these adjustments, click Save. Next, we need to choose where to save the converted file. Click on the Browse button next to the Destination File field. Navigate to the folder where you want to save the file. I'm going to save it to my desktop for easy access. Give your file a name and make sure to add MP4 at the end of the file name. Finally, click Start to begin the conversion. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom of the VLC window. The time it takes to convert will depend on the size and length of your video file. Once the conversion is complete, you'll find your new MP4 file in the location you specified. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel for more guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.